It's your favorite realtor, TJ Francisco, and I'm here at my new construction home on Groveland in Madison Heights. I want to do a property update. Let's go check it out.
Welcome to 27828 Groveland in Madison Heights. Let's take a quick look at the progress the builders have made so far. As you can see, the exterior is really coming together. The roof and siding are now completed, and the home is already starting to look sharp from the outside. Inside, things are moving along quickly as well. The drywall is up, electrical is being run, and you can really start to visualize the layout of the home as everything begins to take shape. The heating and cooling system have already been installed, which helps keep construction moving forward as we head into the next phase. It won't be long before we start seeing doors installed and the finishing touches begin. Flooring is scheduled to start in about a week. The main living areas will feature luxury vinyl plank flooring, the bathrooms will have tile, and the bedrooms will be finished with carpet. I'm especially excited for the next phase coming in late March to early April, when the kitchen starts coming together and the personality of the home really begins to shine. And here's the big thing. New construction in Madison Heights is extremely rare, especially without the Royal Oak price tag. So if you know someone looking for affordable new construction in a great location, reach out. I'd love to show you around.
Thank you for previewing my new construction home here in Madison Heights on Groveland. If you have any specific questions or want a private viewing, please contact me directly. And as always, we are here to serve you.